How do we know if someone's thinking about us? Specifically, let's talk about women. Now, before we get into mind-reading territory, let's be clear. This isn't about decoding secret signals or playing detective. Instead, we'll explore some genuine, observable behaviors that might indicate when a woman has you on her mind. Remember, communication is key, so open conversations are always the best way to truly understand someone's thoughts and feelings. Sign 1. Subtle shifts in attention. Have you ever noticed her gaze lingering a little longer than usual? Maybe a smile seems to flicker across her face when she catches your eye. These subtle shifts in attention, like dilated pupils or a tilt of the head, can be subconscious cues that she's engaged in your presence. Bonus points if she mirrors your body language. It could be a sign she's trying to connect on a deeper level. Sign 2. Initiating conversation and remembering details. Does she strike up conversations out of the blue, ask about your day, or even remember something you mentioned weeks ago? Initiating contact and showing genuine interest in your life are strong indicators that you're on her mind. Pay attention if she brings up shared experiences or inside jokes. It shows she values your connection and wants to keep the conversation going. Sign 3. Sharing personal stories and vulnerabilities. Opening up about personal experiences and vulnerabilities is a sign of trust and intimacy. If she feels comfortable sharing these things with you, it could be a clue that she sees you as someone special, someone she wants to connect with on a deeper level. Remember, this is a privilege, not an entitlement, so treat her openness with respect and empathy. Sign 4. Going out of her way. Does she offer to help you with something, even if it's out of her way? Does she send you a funny meme or article that reminded her of you? These small gestures of thoughtfulness, however seemingly insignificant, can speak volumes about how much she's thinking about you. Remember, it's the little things that often matter most. Sign 5. Positive energy and a playful spirit. When you're around her, does her mood seem to change? Does she laugh more easily, engage in playful banter, or seem generally more energized? This positive shift in energy could be a sign that your presence brings her joy and makes her feel comfortable and happy. Remember, genuine happiness is contagious, so cherish the moments when she lights up around you.